Are you ready for a cuteness overload? Look no further because we've rounded up the top 5 cutest animals in the world. These animals are sure to make you say "aw," and at the end of the video you will be like,
"Oh wow, man."
So, without further ado, here they are. First, red panda. This little furball stole our hearts with its fluffy red coat and playful personality. Second, baby elephant, with their floppy ears and big eyes. Baby elephants are even cuter than the moon. Third, pygmy marmoset. These tiny monkeys are so small and adorable they could fit in the palm of your hand. Fourth, koala. With their round ears and fluffy fur, koalas are the epitome of cuteness. And the last one, hedgehog. With their quills and tiny paws, hedgehogs are like little balls of cuteness that you just want to snuggle. Thank you for watching. In next short I will tell you the most dangerous creature for human. Don't forget to like and subscribe.